Beautiful. Good. Okay, I know there's no spring break. There's no spring break this semester. They have wellness days, so I added the wellness days here. On these days, there's no classes, so I guess there's supposed to be like days off. I'm also not to assign work on those days or have work due on those days. With attendance, I don't take attendance. I mean, attendance is not part of your grade. So, but I did put the school's attendance policy here. So, just letting you know. And again, this is how your grade is made up. You know, what percentage homework is of your final grade, quizzes, and so on. Okay. Again, you can always download the syllabus. It's up here all semester. This is how I convert to a final grade. You know, this is the scores and so on. And students have asked me last semester how I calculate the final grade. You know, it's a good question. So I put the formula in here, although the formula kind of looks nasty. It's really just what's called the weighted average. So I put an example here. Now, I'm not saying your homework is going to be out of 80 points this semester. And I'm not saying the quizzes are going to be out of 50. This is all hypothetical. But let's say your homework was out of 80, you got a 70 points. And let's say your quizzes were out of 50, you got 45, and so on. You know, again, I'm not saying exam 2 will be out of 70, but let's say it was and you got 64. This is how I would calculate your grade. I basically divide what you got by what you could possibly get for that, and then multiply by the percentage as a decimal. Again, if I go too fast, just let me know. I put the school course policies up here as well. This is where the math department office is. You know, I figured it'd be good to have that. I put also these websites. I thought they'd be good resources, especially the Student Learning Center, because they have academic coaching and they have, I think they offer peer tutoring this semester, you know, virtually. So I'll get more into that shortly. But it's a good website to look at. This is the ADA statement. This is the campus reopening plan. They wanted me to add that, so I figured it'd be good to have that. Okay. I mean, wearing a face mask and everything, you know, that's not an issue for us because we're meeting virtually, so. Okay. Are there any questions at all? So I'm gonna go through Blackboard now. And I'm gonna, you know, go through Blackboard now, and you'll see things like the Lumen Learning website where the homework is, stuff like that. The fun stuff. Okay. Okay. So let's do that now. So if you click, so again, we're in the course here. You click on Home Page. Okay, we get this, as you can see. If you click on Tools, okay, you'll get a lot of Blackboard tools. I'm actually in, again, I'm in student preview mode, so I'm seeing what you would see. You know, there's a lot of nice tools here. I'm not going to use all the tools, though. You know, things like glossary I'm not going to use. What was I going to say? Journals I'm not going to use, things like that. But there are some useful tools here, like Blackboard Help. If you need some help with Blackboard, you're more than welcome to ask me, of course. But you also have this source. So you have things like that. Okay. The calendar, I put in the class days into the calendar, And I don't know why the homework dates were not showing up. I thought they were going to, but I'll look into that. But again, I know someone asked about the homework dates because they weren't showing up. Even if they're in the calendar, I will still send announcements. You know, you have homework due, you have quiz due, that kind of thing. I mean, I thought having the calendar would be helpful, but I don't see, for some reason, the homework dates are not posted, but I don't know. Anyway, the wellness days are posted, as you can see. I think our first wellness day is February 16th, on a day we don't meet, but so. All right. So we have the calendars. Okay. When we do have exams, they'll be here in exams. This is just a link to a website, which is Blackboard help pages. They just show you how you would submit an assignment through Blackboard. Because again, you will have to submit your exams through Blackboard. Your exams, not your homework or your quizzes. That's going to come next. So if you click on homework and quizzes website, it'll take you to this, Lumen, which is where your homework will be. It's a free site. And what you have to do is click on enroll in a new course. So if you click on this, and then from the syllabus, there was that course ID and enrollment key. I think it was on the bottom of the first page. I don't remember what page it's on, but it's in the syllabus though. You would type in the course ID, the enrollment key you would type in as well, and then you would enroll. And I think after that, you have to set up an account. Again, it's free to do. If you have an account, you would log in, but if you don't, you could set one up, which is all free to do. But let me just show you what Lumen looks like by logging into my account. Here we go. So I'm going to log in. We're in Math 104 Section 3. Let me go to student mode. Okay. So right now there's nothing up here, although I thought something would be. I mean, there's nothing due this week. What I might post here is I think it's called homework 0, but it's not going to be part of your final grade. It's just to help you get acquainted with Lumen. We also have many student resources. So if you click on this arrow here, you can see there's a lot of websites here that could help you with math, as you can see. There's also some graphing calculators here as well. There's Desmos, there's GeoGebra, stuff like that. And they also have graphing calculator help here. You know, that helps you with graphing calculators. Regression stuff, don't worry about. We're not going to do that. That's statistics. So, you know, it's just other stuff here I thought would be good for everyone to have. I mean, and also when they do get graded, what's nice about Lumen is it does grade your homework and quizzes automatically. It'll go into the grade book, and I'll put those grades on Blackboard as well. Yeah.
Is the enrollment key case sensitive? Like, is the O in Ornstein, the M in math, the S in section, and the S in spring all capitalized?
It is case sensitive. It's as it is as it's typed on the syllabus. You could just highlight and copy also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Awesome question. If you do have trouble getting into the course here on Lumen, again, please contact me, okay? And also, this came up last semester with a student. Somehow they got enrolled into the wrong math course. So just make sure you're in Math 104-03. So, do you have another question or? Oh, okay. So I thought you had another question, so that's okay. All right. So we have that. Okay. Any questions about this? Okay. So let me now get back to Blackboard. All right. Let me go back. Come on. Eventually. All right. So So we have this. Let's see. There's also my YouTube channel. I'm not up yet. Forget that. So I clicked on it, but I would have to share it. But basically, if you click on my YouTube channel, you would actually get to my YouTube channel, and that's where I post the recorded lectures. You know, if you want to watch them again, or if you missed a lecture for some reason, you want to watch a lecture. Actually, let me just post it just to show you. Yeah, let me click that. Okay, I got to share this, so let me just stop. I'm not sure how you can share more than one screen at a time. Not sure if you can do that in Blackboard, but this is I mean, you're not going to see this exactly because I'm logged into my account, but this is where the lecture videos will be posted. Yeah. If you click on my YouTube channel. Okay. I figured putting them on YouTube would be good because, again, the captions are made automatically. So, all right, let me get the recording.